Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I love berries. They're so tasty and every bite is a burst of flavor. Unfortunately, they don't keep very long. How many times have I bought some and a couple of days later I had to throw a few out? Years ago, I met a woman at my supermarket and she told me what to do to keep them longer. Here's what she said. So my friends, let's get cooking.
I just came back from the grocery store about half an hour ago, and here's what we'll do. First, the ratio is very simple. It's 3-to-1. So because I have a lot of strawberries, I'll add half a cup of white vinegar and a cup and a half of water, which is 3 times as much as the vinegar. Alright, now in a large bowl, we'll add the strawberries and pour in the vinegar water solution. Now, if the berries are not covered entirely, just make another batch of vinegar water and push them down in the water mixture. We'll let the strawberries soak for 5 minutes. So, a few minutes later, we'll transfer them to a colander, rinse them thoroughly under cold water, and then drain for a few minutes. Next, here's a salad spinner, and what we'll do is to cover the inside with paper towels to help dry the berries. We'll then add the strawberries to it, and depending how many we have, we might have to work in batches. We'll fold the paper towels over, place the lid, and give a good spin. We'll have to do that a few times until the berries are completely dry. The other alternative is to place a clean towel on the counter and blot them gently to dry up any excess water. When this is done, we'll place another paper towel at the bottom of a container which will absorb any moisture. We'll place the strawberries in a single layer, and if there are more, we'll place another paper towel on top and add more berries. Always in a single layer and never overcrowded. Next, we'll cover the top layer with more paper towel and tuck it in like when we were little and our parents were putting us to bed. Nice and neat. We'll place a lid on top, slightly offset so they can breathe, and transfer to the fridge until needed.
As you saw in this video, by doing a couple simple steps, you'll be able to enjoy your berries for much longer. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!